AT230 here. Today we have a 2021 Audi RS6. We're going to be adjusting the height by swapping the factory links to the ghost links. It'll allow us to close up this wheel gap. It's pretty easy to install. The thing that takes time is getting the measurement down, making sure we've got all of our clearances still. You don't want to rub your tires when you're turning or you put too much weight in the vehicle. So we'll go ahead and start measuring it out. We'll show you how it goes. Before taking the measurement, we're going to go ahead and set the height and then roll the vehicle back and forth. That way the suspension will settle before we take the measurement and know exactly how much we're going to adjust it. So in order to change your settings, when you get to your Audi Drive Select, you can change your suspension ride by comfort, auto, or dynamic. We're going to go ahead and leave it on dynamic since we have it on the smooth road. Now that we went ahead and installed those height sensors, we're going to go ahead and raise the vehicle, move it around a bit, lower it again, and then we'll measure it out and see what the new height is. I think the rear has more of a visual. Oh, there it is. It does one side at a time. It took it a whole 30 seconds. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Oh. Now that we have the original link, we're going to go ahead and take our ghost link, set it to the height that we want it, or the length, put the car back down on the floor, roll it around, and then see what the height is now at. Now that we've finished installing the ghost links, we did change the height a little bit because the vehicle was sitting too high still. We lowered it. It's approximately about 2 inches lower. It would be almost the same as doing coilovers or something like that on this vehicle. We're going to go ahead and take it out on the street, test drive it, make sure it sounds good, bring it back, measure it out one more time, and make sure it's all level. All right, now it's time to go for the test drive and see how this vehicle feels. Ride feels smooth, bumps don't feel too hard or any aftershake, so we're gonna call this one a success. Audi. We went ahead and took it for its test drive. We measured out the four corners. We're happy with how it looks. We showed it to the customer and he was happy with it as well. Tires aren't going to be rubbing when you're turning. You can throw in some extra weight and we're good for now. If you did lower it more, you're probably going to run into some of those issues. So this is how the final look is going to be. If you want to go ahead and lower your car with the height sensors, this is a cost-effective way to go about it. It's pretty simple compared to changing out your full shock, doing the coilover or airbag system. If you're interested in getting a price quote, give us a call. Contact us on Instagram. We are located here in La Habra, about center of Orange County and LA County area. So come on by, show us your car, see what we can do for you.